Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty game crashing on Xbox. You can try the following solution and see your problem is fixed or not. Now the first fix is update the game and system. Ensure that your game and your Xbox system software are fully updated to the latest version. Then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the second fix is clear cache. Perform a clear cache on your Xbox by holding the power button for 10 seconds to restart the system fully, then check. Now, the third solution to fix this problem is reinstall the game. Uninstall the Cyberpunk and reinstall it to remove any corrupted game files. And I will recommend guys you can try the solution after all of the solution. So the fourth fix is check for overheating. Ensure that your Xbox is not overheating by providing proper ventilation and avoiding extended gaming session. Now, the fifth solution is disable quick resume. Sometimes quick resume causes issues. Turn off quick resume for Cyberpunk by manually quitting the game from the Xbox dashboard before starting. Then check. Now, the sixth solution is adjust graphic setting. If you are using Xbox Series X or S, try lowering graphic setting or switching between performance and quality modes to reduce crashes, and you can also try this fix. Now the next solution is check for external storage issues. If the game is installed on an external drive, try moving it to the internal storage to rule out any potential problem with external drives. Now the last fix is factory reset. If all else fails, you can try a factory reset of your Xbox console, but ensure you backup your data first. And try all of these fixes and see which work for you. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video and please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.